Hi, welcome back to the video. Today we're trying a mod which we just tested. It is called, what is it? Skills. Yeah, skill swap. So, playing, so, use, this is multi. I min-maxed the heck out of it. No, I min-maxed multi. Mean, I did this, power mode, and some other things. It wasn't crazy. Which can one shot. I'm gonna join you. You join me actually. Cool. Yep. Yep. I want to show my load. Wait, do I have to? This is. So yeah. What's my load again? Thought I did. Okay, I just gonna fix it quickly. Can quickly do it. Yep, that's it. That's it. Okay, you can see. So double tap, neurotoxin, focus assault, and iron surge. Yeah, hit scan. We have some other mods along, but yeah, shall be fun.
Do you see my stead?
Cool. Mine.
Yeah, it's a green.
Cool. Which one does that do? Oh, plasma strip. Never mind. I thought it was something else.
If we had PvP on, you'd be dead.
Yeah, I know. I know that I'd be
dead
dead.
there too.
Yeah, I know.
The fun thing is, as long as you
This is why I took this.
you don't choose any of Railgun's other stuff, you can take the supercharge without any drawbacks.
Yes, weird.
It's hilarious.
It's so weird. So the characters still have their passives and everything. That let's see.
You still get your passive ability.
This is all vanilla items.
Yeah, we got TP here.
Nice. I'm just doing this.
I call boss.
Okay, let's see.
I haven't been able to test this out on the boss yet.
Can we take these things out?
What?
The infestors. Yeah, I'm not the best at it. Common, nice. So can you help with that? I'm not the best at. Double tap's not the best at shooting hit scan. Mocha. Coffee. Caffeine. Fun. Should I get newts? No or yes?
If you want.
And never mind, this will do. I think. Nice. What shall I grab? What shall I grab?
Yes, I'm getting my bands. I prefer Ronaldo's band, which is just a blast of damage, over Kajawa's band, which is a fiery tornado.
Yep.
Just press
this.
Here.
Don't think I have any, like, yeah, weird. So,
you see how fast I move, how far I move?
Cool. Yeesh.
Yes. Ultimate movement tech. I think I can easily skip Mithrix here.
Cool.
What do you say?
Yeah, and I can skip Mithrix if I time my abilities correctly.
Yeah, well, I'm gonna activate TP.
No, I don't have why.
Oh. Yep. Definitely optimized enough.
Oh god, min max, seriously.
What?
I can fly for a while.
Yeah.
Shuriken.
Honestly, you can fly.
For a good amount of time, yes, I know.
So we have Newt here.
No. Don't know where Newt is on this one. Not exactly, but yeah.
Okay, we can get next stage.
Yep. We found it. Over here. We've been slash us. Should I'd like a restart? I want to change my primary.
Oh, come on. No.
Okay, fine. I want a single fire primary if I want to spam shurikens.
No, I'm not restarting just because you want.
Okay, fine.
Something you did for strategy. You can just have one stack of shurikens.
I like shurikens. It's fun.
Yes, so is my shenanigans, which I think I know.
Let's go.
Yep. Hold on. No, it's not good.
Oh, I can spam my secondary fire pretty fast, I guess.
Yeah, what do you have for it?
I have neurotoxin.
Quickly.
Look, neurotoxin.
No, it doesn't apply to poison.
I don't care. Plus, I have purity.
Already?
Yeah, I got lunar pod.
Oh, nice.
I said that'll do. Didn't I say that?
Yep. We have Newt.
Nice. Cool. So the next Risk Rain playlist video is going to be coming out soon. So yeah. Can't wait for that.
Hey, this is a nice playlist.
No. The vanilla one. Where we unlock everything. The playthrough. That's the one I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about, not even.
Love this build.
Cool.
Hey, do we wanna do the secret thing?
What? I'm fine. It'll take a bit.
It won't take long, we just have to find it.
We can do it in the other video.
Really? There's two of us, so why not?
Yeah, it's gonna be two of us in the other one too. Problem? Me spam.
Yes. Yes, you do spam.
I'm a toxic bomber. I'm toxic. AC 130 above.
I fly.
Well, I can fly traditionally. And you can get up here, but yeah, you can also always get up here if you have good enough mobility. What are you attempting? What in the world are you attempting?
Too much button presses at once.
Oh my god, really? Too much button pressing?
Yeah, at once.
Cool, I guess.
Yeah, find it burning, blazing.
Right here.
Let's go.
Why that? Nah, I'm killing it.
Oh, come on, seriously?
What, problem?
I have pennies.
Oh, whatever. You can always find them on later stages.
Blazing.
Yeah, I know.
I can. Yeah, let the wisp shoot me.
I know. Sheesh, I know what it does.
Wow.
Shoot it once.
Oh,
Really that powerful already?
yeah, it'll die.
Oh god, no.
3 crowbars for crying out loud.
Why?
What? Okay.
Why?
Showtime.
Let me do something. Oh god, what the hell? What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you?
What? I said it's showtime, so it is showtime.
Cool. Nice. I was gonna take it because you have a lot of coins, I guess, from when you accidentally joined a lobby with a mod, I think, or something like that, where I can just oh well, whatever.
That's horrible for me.
Horrible movement? What do you mean? I have nice movement.
Does this activate money? No, it does not.
Sad they already thought about it. I wonder. I got in, so I can show them what's down here. There's nothing, gonna be nothing down here, I think.
Yeah, you're down there right now.
But this is where normally Ronald and Kajaro, where you get the 2 bands. Well, unlock them.
Let's go. Money.
Oh, nice. I'm out. Nice. So yeah, fun. Do you see?
No, I won't get more money.
Nope.
Money.
Oh god, really? Did I not activate it? You almost died. Haha. Okay, fine. Didn't almost die. Now remember, don't shoot newts. Understood. Don't test your damage.
I know.
That's all my shurikens. Sheesh. Oh.
Cooldown 6. Four seconds, that works.
Cool.
Let's go.
Ah, fun.
You can get something there if you want. I do want to test with Angela since we're leaving soon.
Hold on. Wait.
Aw,
Ego. Screw this build. I want ego.
no, really.
What? Problem? I like this. I like him.
Okay, that was more than
How much damage? Let's go.
I think that was like 8, 9k.
Cool.
Or go over there and no, I can go over there. I have more movement.
Really? Where?
You know what I'm talking about. There we go.
So I need constant items. Fun.
Yes, yes you do.
Okay.
Only if I could bee hop here.
Yeah, I know bee hopping's not a thing right now. Well, in this game in general.
Like, yeah, the new up here is guaranteed.
Really?
Yep. There we go.
Funny.
Do we want? Yeah, I want to choose my state.
Okay, cool. Oh, it took my red.
There
Darn.
we go. Yep, that teleport works. Nice.
It took my red. Are you serious?
Heh. Yeah. So what?
Okay, whatever.
Easily be able to skip that first. Yeah, just don't hog all the items.
Why? I can fly indefinitely, which is nice. This is very interesting, don't you think?
Let's go.
Ah, nice, useful. Useful.
Yes, that means I can increase my flight too.
Nice. Haven't done the ego build in a while, so yeah, why not? Oh, that thing died, it seems like. A, a monster spawned on me, literally. Spawned on me.
Yeah, that happens. So what? There we go.
What? Was there we go mean? Does ego take lunars?
What does?
Egocentrism take
No.
lunar?
Oh, it doesn't take lunars.
Good. That's useful.
What would be the point of that?
Oh, yeah, makes sense. Makes sense. Does make sense, I guess. That melted fast. Wow. Without any spread, the double tap melts without any spread.
What one?
Double tap?
Yeah.
Where's TP? You know where TP is? Sheesh.
I know where TP is.
Cool. Over here? Nice. Getting over. Let me take boss this time.
Okay, you can show off your build.
Yep, let me show off my build. If you have to button, you have to button. Just button in if I'm taking too long. That is. Oh, you're buttoning in already. Oh my god. Yo, what the? Okay, let's see. Took my short, darn. It's dead, nice. Not taking that. You take the boss drop. Why go? Yeah, I know. I need some heals. She's just a lot. Let's fly. Oh yeah, that thing's shooting me. This thing. Oh, thanks. I wanted some, but whatever. Watch it on the items. Watch it on the item count. Wait. You finally listened to me about that? Watch it. Understood? I want you to watch it, please. They took my thing. Took my lunar.
Oh yeah, so you see everything except.
Darn. It converts all but ego. All but ego. That's funny. Oh, nice. Oh, darn. So it's good to get ego around the like second stage of a run.
I want to choose stage 4.
Nice. Stage 5? You mean 4?
Yes, stage 4.
Which has the legendary chest, which is good. Do these tech nude?
No.
They do. Oh shit. Sorry for swearing, but they do. Shoot. He's not angry. Good. Good.
He will be soon.
No, I'm grabbing this and then leaving. Do these do more?
Let's go.
I think these deal more damage now. Fun. Okay, we're going to that area. Okay, funny. I want to show it off. I want to show it off at least. I want to show it off. Well, we can get Acrid. I'm running. No, whoa. Don't know. Yo. Oh, I thought this was legendary. Wait, this is a stage 4, so it has legendary chest on it?
Now we have a boss.
Oh, yeah, boss. Funny. Nice. Funny me.
The annoying boss that everyone avoids on the clips.
Why?
It scales extremely well. When I mean extremely well, extremely brokenly.
Nice. Finally. Let's go. Hey, let's get this. Let's just get this for the boss, cause yeah. Ooh. Nice. Hold on, I got it.
Let's go.
Elephant gun.
Yep, I just one shot that.
Take the wait.
Yep. Can I get the boss?
Yep, boss drop. You take all this because I don't have use for it.
Oh, wow.
Because ego consumes all.
Yes.
Now I just need a drone. Now I just need a drone. Equipment drone. I just need an equipment drone. Where would that be? If I were an equipment drone, where would I be? Somewhere broken on ground, probably. Yeah, yeah. Nice. Oh, it took my glass. I forget. Oh, no. That sucks. Where? Oh, fun. That thing's dead. At least took my void item.
Hey, get over here. Get over here.
Who?
You get over here.
What?
I'm gonna do something. I'm gonna do what we call in business a funny.
Oh god, what is it? I can see you from up here.
Mark, god damn it. God damn it. Mark.
What work?
I clipped through that.
Yay. Then what happens? What happens if you cut through that?
You just go through the other side.
Cool. Cool, cool. Oh, back, darn. Darn. Wait, I'm inside a layer of it. Never mind, it wasn't. Need items.
Man, that's annoying.
What is? What's annoying?
Here, grab this.
What in the world's annoying?
Oh, the fact that I basically zero healing stuff.
Darn. That sucks. Do you want loop or just go to Mythrix?
We're going to Netflix here. And do one second one afterwards.
Yep, yep.
Where is TP?
I know where it is.
Nice.
It's in the cave somewhat.
Okay. Let's know.
Yep, right here. When we activate, it has Shrine Mountain on it.
Yeah, hold on, let me come over. I should punch it. Punch it so hard it doesn't exist. Come
Oh
on,
god.
I'm ready. Let's go.
He already died, oh my god. Was that surprising and sad?
And
Take boss. Wait, there's another one?
yes.
So naturally spawn one naturally spawned in? Funny. Funny. So there's a natural spawn and a spawned one. Boss spawned. That's funny. Take that. What?
It was so bars. Absurd.
What goes? Oh, you go.
I'm gonna skip Netflix. I'm gonna skip
Yeah, I
Netflix.
can skip too if I time my cooldowns properly.
Yeah, this was originally gonna be like a PvP Artifact of Chaos run. I don't think I barely even used my supercharge. Damn.
Wow.
Yeah.
Funny. And I have 13 egos. Funny. This is powerful. Just look at them circling me. They'll consume all.
Usually it's way better the longer the run goes.
Yep, I know, I know.
It's just bad.
Hmm. What's this? Oh, fun. What does it do?
Here, buy it.
I did get it. It's ours. What does it do?
It's just, it heals them. It just it's healing drone, basically. Yeah, we should probably get some more drones as well.
Yeah, we normally get drunk. Yeah, I normally grab some too. Ooh, boss.
Wait, oh, wow, this
No, thing, you're not shooting it.
too late.
Wow. Void Gup and Void Jailer.
Yep, I see it. What is that? Okay. Back over.
Like, no.
Up bounty P. There we go, one shot.
There's 2 Void Gups now. Shoot.
One shot, avoid jailer.
Oh, God, no.
Yes. Yeah.
Why?
Why not?
What's wrong if you make it? And it's off the map. Please, off the map. Get off the map. Get off the map. Get off the map. Get off the map, please. Shoot, split. Damn. Darn split. No, 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 not another one. There's another one, a full size Gup. Oh my god, this is stupid.
It's annoying. The gups just multiplied.
Yeah, I know. Did we get sweet strawberries?
No.
Oh, nice. One's off the map. That one's up. There's one off the map. Nice, nice. Kill all the Gups
Yeah.
there. 2 off the map. Nice. There more are falling off the map. Nice, nice. Nice. I'm just anti-void infester.
Yeah, no.
Funny.
Last one. Punch it.
Nope, I got it.
Oh, how dare you?
Funny. I got it.
This one's mine.
Yep, what rarity? Nice.
Get some killing here.
Cool, cool.
Which is amazing.
Yep. Let's heal up some. It's not much healing, but it's on spark.
So do you want to loot or just head out?
Shoot. I might be dead if I don't get out. Oh shoot, yeah, I forget I have that. I just got that.
Okay, looks like our drone died.
Darn.
Occupational hazard.
Yeah, I know. I know, silly. We spawned over here. Wow. TP. Where is it? By chance. Mini shroom.
It's over this way.
Look at this mini shroom. It's just floating here in the thing.
Here's TP.
Yep. Ah, shoot.
That was me, by the way.
Wow. You're powerful. Got this for some heals. Let me get another one. Got this for some heals when we're in TP.
So you're just stacking leeching seeds now.
Yes, I know. I know.
I think my trumping is also in a good position.
Cool. Oh.
Yep.
Eagle's powerful. If you have the time. So yeah, fun.
I think I actually got a decent variety of items this one.
Yeah, unlike me.
Hey, you're running ego.
I know that. I know I'm running ego. Plus, my shift is very versatile with my ego. So I just can shift into a group of enemies.
Come on, hurry up, TP.
Eh,
1.5 of risk of rain.
the TP, yes I know. I know that, the TP is boring. Yes, let's go.
Well, I get Lepton.
For TP.
Okay. Oh, I missed the one pop.
What?
Yeah, we missed the one pop last
Oh, sad. How do you do? How are you doing? So do you want to do pillars?
Nah.
Cool. You know how to do it?
Yes, I do.
I'm getting up there pretty fast.
Yes, I got up there before you and you're.
Yes. What?
Where even are you? Oh.
Not the fastest, stupid.
That's a fact.
Almost
You almost. What? What happened?
almost got up.
There you go.
Safe spot. Cool.
Okay, I can't wait to see how she thinks. Get this man a bigger ukulele. Hang on. Oh my god, 14K. You know,
Just-
Mythics?
Oh god.
Yeah. Bird must die.
What do you mean bird must die? Meme? Risk rain meme?
No, that's what they call those.
Who?
Oh, people.
Why do people call it that?
Okay, where's the last stuff?
Running out of items here.
What do you mean? You're fine.
Okay.
Yeah, more stuff is spawning. This song that's playing right now is probably the best in
I don't have any volume, cause why? Right over here.
seriously. Yeah, let's see. There we go.
Oh shoot, egocentrism. Mythics will get it.
Yeah, so what? Not a problem.
Yeah, but you get melted, I guess. Plus on my attack speed, sheesh. The hell, I almost died. Okay, heal. Nope, I'm dead. Even with my heal. So would Mythics get my items? That's some Night Revenue's build right
Yeah,
there.
watch this.
Okay, wow. Wow. Okay, what was that damage? Oh, I'm revived. Let's go.
Yes.
Oh god, shoot. Oh shoot.
I don't care. I'm doing this.
You have 4. Nice, got my egos back. Let's
Yes.
go.
I survived that hit. Give me my stuff.
Oh! Sorry for the volume.
Yes, it was right.
What? Closest to the ship?
Yep.
Nice. And they're in a fast
Yeah,
pace.
avoid lane, actually.
Okay, cool. Just, no. You can do it. You have more movement. I was gonna stay and hide. Cool.
Probably the best movement build I had so far in this game.
I agree.
I'm glad I remembered that.
I get 3 items at least from spawned in, like commons.
No.
I hate you.
Get on the ship.
Why? Oh, I didn't realize. Where? Nice. First time fighting the Void boss on this channel.
Yes, yes it is. Should be pretty easy.
Yeah, I know. Should be.
Well,
I know. What's all the way down here? It's down here. See something down here. Just some information. What the?
TP, yeah, that will teleport zone down.
Did I die? No. Shush.
Get over here.
I might be dead.
Okay.
I'm dead. I'm dead. Good luck. Don't.
Yep.
You're dead. This is what a fight's like? Ow. Ow.
We didn't have bad in this song. It was a small warling.
What the hell?
Okay, we are. Yeah. Well, that was.
Seems like an overpowered builds which don't involve this works.
Warling hitbox is a bit nifty.
Yeah. Bye.
No, we're doing one more.
Oh no, it's 42. 44 minutes. I do not want this to be a long run.
Okay, fine.
Bye. Bye everyone.